I am currently short in Bitcoin right now. I'll walk you through what I have trading top down so you can get a better idea of what I have going here. So you can see here on the 4 hour chart, Bitcoin has been delivering here to the buy side and has now been doing some consolidation. If we scroll back to the left, we can see this is normal price action for the weekend. This divider line here is the weekly divider line, this orange line here. And you can see this here is the weekend. This is Saturday and Sunday. You can see this price action is flat. It's even more flat than this price action here, which has some movement. But you can see in both of these areas that the market is ranging. Where in this area here, early in the week, you can see that Bitcoin is trending to the buy side. So here on the 4 hour, Bitcoin has been trading bullish and is now or trending bullish in the earlier part of the week, and then here at the end of the week and the weekend, Bitcoin is now ranging on the higher time frame. Here on the 1 hour chart, if I'll back this up to where I actually took the position. So this is Friday afternoon this is actually Friday morning here when I take the position here on the 1 hour chart. After this price leg delivers here to the sell side, take an entry on pullback. After reviewing this entry, I actually don't like this. Is not my favorite entry. Doesn't match my entry criteria exactly. I've had to modify my entry criteria as I've taken a trade that lost. So up till now, my back testing and forward testing, I haven't experienced any losses, but this is pretty early in the process. But now that I've been able to evaluate that trade against the remainder of the trades and I've found some divergence, and I'll go over that here in a bit. But you can see this price action here is basically ranging here. And then if I scrub over, so you can see this area here on the 60-minute, on the 1 hour here. So since my entry here, you can just see this consolidation, this up and down price movement. And then you can see here price just broke down right here in this candle. We come over here to the 5-minute. You can see this is the New York PM session. So I will we'll see the price action here. And here is the trade that I took that I lost, and we'll go into more detail with that. But right now we'll stick to the price leg that's currently active. So you can see Bitcoin here, trade to the sell side, buy side, put in a new high here on the 5-minute, sell side, buy side delivery here, sell side, buy side, and then sell side. So with this, if we look at this from a perspective of, let's say, market structure, we get into an uptrend here as Bitcoin trades above this swing high. And then Bitcoin makes a swing low. This here would be a short-term swing low here. And then you can see price action delivers here to the sell side with expansion here and with speed. And when price crosses this level, where this here is the uptrend, this becomes the downtrend, creating the market structure shift to the sell side here. So my position is currently short, and now the price is trading right here around my break-even point. But if you're looking for signs of a reversal, this is what you want to see, a break in the trend. Again, this is a new swing high or higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high, equal low, lower high, lower or higher low here, lower high, and then again you get the flush right here with the market structure shift to the sell side. And we can see that price move from this range here, which the high of this candle here, or these swing candles here in this area, are up near the 95,450 mark up here, and price delivered to the sell side down here to the 94,900 mark. So about a 600, or what is that? What is this? 950, or let's call this 95,450. So this would be 450, and then plus another, what's this, 100, so 550. So $550 move that happened here within 5 minutes here with this price flushing down here. And price is traded back into my break entry area. Since price, where I would say this is not my ideal setup, I have considered whether or not I just wanted to exit the position here at break even. It's been my experience that things that you trade, whatever instrument that you trade, will get you basically to the point of capitulation where you want to exit the trade, and then typically the trade will then go in your direction. So for holding on to this trade, I'm just going to wait for now. I will show you the trade that I took that failed, that impacted the account by 30 cents. So there's a position here, you can see here on the 1 hour chart. Took a sell position here. As you can see, this price action here delivering to the sell side. When I did this, the buy side came into delivery with speed here and stopped me out. So if we come up here to the 5 minute, you can see what I attempted, and it's similar to the trade that I'm in now, where the price action is not ideal for what I'm trying to do, and has caused some problems with being able to get follow through or continuation. So again, you can see price consolidating or ranging in this area. Then you get a lower low, then a higher high, and then a higher low, a higher high, and then a higher low here. So right now this is in an uptrend. Then you get a lower high and then a higher low here. And then you can see price break out here and start trending here to the buy side. So you can see that shift in trend. For price to deliver once this lower low gets put in. It's basically buy side delivery from here, and then with this short term low being broken, this essentially balances the position. This gets up much more higher. If I get a close, I'm gonna pick a level here, probably my entry level, or where I would have liked to have entered, which is around the 95, like 72 mark. So I can go back and I can check the number on the Fibonacci on my original entry to verify whether or not that number is accurate. But I want to make sure that price does not close above that price line on the 5 minute here. If it does, then I'll take an exit with another loss. But this trade here that lost, again, this was the entry here, and then you can see price just continued to deliver to the buy side. I had the bias incorrect, and I also did not wait for a confirmation that I've since learned that is going to be required for these positions. But you can see here entering the position here at 10:05 and exit here at 12:28, a sell and a buy, 0.001 entry at 95.469, exit at 95.363.2, and a loss here of minus $0.30, so minus 30 cents here. Currently sitting negative 33 cents on the total position, but exiting this position would still give me plenty of ability to take additional positions. Right now, I could hold for this to see if it does anything, but if this actually pulled all the way back um, to test this market structure shift level, I would be very cautious as this is a very large price leg here. So I would expect this fair value gap. No, I haven't put that up yet. Let's put that up. So I would not anticipate this fair value gap here to be filled. In order for me to be comfortable staying in this position, you can see where price has now traded into this fair value gap, into these two candles, has traded into it. So if there are enough orders here, price can go ahead and deliver here to the sell side. Put a Fibonacci up. So this is the 50% level here. So this is, if this was in a trading window for me or within a kill zone, I would be looking for an entry here. With the holding on through the weekend and this big price leg down here, right now the market's just reopened for the week. Everything that closes on the weekend, so things like Forex, commodities, these things are now currently active again. So now with the market being active, and as soon as that 5 o'clock or the 1700 hour here, which is the equivalent of 6 a.m. New York Eastern Time, you get this price leg here to the sell side. So I'm actually now just considering just holding this position. As if price came all the way back through this price leg here, I think this thing is probably going to go much higher if it comes back. As you can see here on the 1 hour chart, this is the market structure shift level here off of the 1 hour. And if this hour candle here can close below, then it would be a market structure shift here on the 60-minute. But it will take another 39 minutes for that to sort itself out. But for now, I'll just keep an eye on this, and if all goes well, I can engage some targets. So my first target is the low of the price leg that delivered to the sell side to set this trade up here. And that price is 94,206.3 is my first target. Second target is a little lower here, and that is down at 93,976.6. And that target is in line with a swing low here on the 60-minute right here. There's going to be liquidity below this area that I want to target with the price delivery algorithm. And then for a third target, just below that target, aiming for a rebalance of this bullish fair value gap, or this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency that's located right here. And now we can see Bitcoin redelivering to the sell side here after pulling back after that aggressive sell side. And now we're starting to get deeper expansion here. I'm just going to move this out of the way, and now it looks like we're expanding towards first target here. And the price currently trading at 94,720 level. First target 94,206. So about 500, $550 plus or minus away from target currently. We can see here on the 60-minute that Bitcoin may be putting in a deeper market structure shift, not just here to this initial level here on the 5-minute that was displayed, but also there are two levels down here on the 60-minute, one here and then this next one here, which is the low of the New York AM session here. And the same thing here on the 5-minute chart. You can see that this is the low here of the New York AM session, and you can see this price leg has now traded through this, creating or will need some time to see how the candles close here. But if we can get a body candle close below either one of these levels, then that would show some stronger intent for Bitcoin to continue to deliver to the sell side here. And there's also the option for me if I want to decide to take any size off of my position earlier. For example, target the New York PM low, which is the time period, the time window that I entered the trade. I can just take one partial there, move my stop to break even, so I don't take any losses on the trade, and then just start to protect the position here. So there is a swing high here on the 5-minute. That's right here. The swing high. So I may move my stop to this swing high here, just in case price comes back. If I do not take profits, but I may take profit as price starts to approach what could be the first potential target here. Price has, or at least being in this trade for 2 days, looking to secure some profits if at all possible. So I'm going to watch price action as it nears my first target, which is 94,206. Right now we're at 94,700. Price still delivering to the sell side here. Potentially putting in a new low here on the 5-minute and a new low here on the 5-minute. Price trading around the 94,650 level. Looking for further sell side delivery here. And if price reaches the 94,595 level, I may take a partial. Actually, I'm going to take a partial there. I'm going to adjust this order just to take some off here. I'd rather not, but I'm anticipating price to pull back at some point, and if it does, I want to get out of the way and then take another entry if it sets up. And this is based on the fact that this is not my ideal setup, so I don't want to take any unnecessary risk with this position. I would rather just secure the trade in the sense of moving the stop to the break even. That way I don't take, or at least this position does not turn around against me as it could. So the next area of liquidity would be that PM low. So I'm going to modify my position. When I do this, this will likely make up for the one trade that I just lost. So this will cover that loss and then also protect any profits that would be remaining if price does continue to deliver to the sell side. So ideally, I would not shorten my first target, but due to price action not being ideal for my entry back before the start of the weekend, I'm just going to go ahead and take an early partial and move to break even. When I do this, price may just fly, which is perfectly fine. I'm more interested in making sure that I protect the account more so than try to go for the home run every time or the highlight. And price right now looking for 94,595 to reach on the offer. If I can reach that price on the offer, I'll take profit and move my stop loss to break even for the remainder of the positions, and then let those targets run if price will continue to deliver here to the sell side. And target one hit, and price is continuing to the sell side here. And now the next target is the one I've been mentioning, which is the main target here, which is the 94,2063. Then I have another target that I mentioned earlier that is that swing low down there. Right now I'm going to move my stop to the break even on both of these positions here. Okay, my stop loss is now moved to break even, so I cannot lose on this trade. This trade will go in the books as a winner with this first take profit here. And as I mentioned, look for price to turn around at some point when it found a liquidity point. And this area of liquidity down here below the Friday PM low is the liquidity area that has just been tapped into. So if we look here on the 5-minute chart, we can see this price leg here delivering here to the sell side, putting in this market structure shift here. With this sell side delivery, price pulls back and then creates a break of structure here. Market structure shift. Actually, let's do this in order. So price delivers to the buy side here and then delivers to the sell side, creates a market structure shift here on the 5-minute, continues to deliver here to the sell side. This is the market structure shift level here on the 60-minute on the higher time frame here, both to the sell side. Price delivers through, pulls back, and then creates the next leg down, which is a break of structure or a BOS here to the sell side. And we can see price now reacting from trading into the liquidity level or the liquidity zone that was below the New York PM session here. And we'll see if price wants to return to retest this level here, and then price will either continue delivering to the sell side or price will continue here to the buy side, and alternatively price could consolidate in a range here. I'm going to keep an eye on Bitcoin to see how it goes for the remainder of the PM session here. If I come over to my trading history, you can see my history for today. So 2 positions. This first position was a loser, a sell, and a buy here at 10.05 an entry, and exit at 12.28. Entry at 95.46.9, exit at 95.363, 3.2, 0.001 for quantity for both, and then or for the entry and for the exit, and then a loss of about 30 cents here. And then the current position that I'm in, I was able to get an exit here at 17.29 at buy. So this is a cover from a sell, 0.001 BTC. And then this cover was made at 94.574 for a profit here of, it looks like, around about 46 cents or so. So plus today, probably about 16 cents right now, which may not seem like much, but for a $2 account, it's getting somewhere. In addition to that, you can see on unrealized P&L sitting on about 90 cents here, which is about 950 BTC. So this, in addition to this, or this would actually be more if price continues to deliver here to the sell side. So right now, having a profitable day, even though I lost one trade. To speak on psychology, one of my best tools for psychology is risk management. When you can lose a trade and then your next trade you can go positive, even with a partial, not even with a full win. And you can see with this, having taken an early partial, and I'm still able to recover from a total loss. So for me, managing risk is very critical here. We can come back here to the 5-minute chart, and you can see Bitcoin is delivered back to the sell side here. It's showing some buy side here in the short term, but you can see this large wick here on this candle, so showing an intention here of at the very least not delivering to the buy side immediately. And I'll put this fair value gap in here in place. So this is the nearest fair value gap. So since external range liquidity has been swept out of the market, as I mentioned, from this New York AM point, and then also swept out of the market up here in this area. So the next area of liquidity that I would anticipate Bitcoin returning to if it went to the buy side would be this fair value gap right here. It is also a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, or a SIBI. So price could potentially trade into this and return for continuation here to the sell side, consolidate potentially before choosing a direction, or the price delivery algorithm could create a body candle close above this fair value gap and deliver price back into the buy side up into these market structure shift areas in order to retest. But if you would like to know more, visit us at OnTiltTrading.com. Trade safe, trade together. We'll see you next time.